Hi and welcome to Unit 109 here on the sunny side of 91 Chapel Street. This 60-unit complex was occupied in early 2019, and Unit 109 represents a one-bedroom, one-bathroom, 660 square foot ground floor unit. Now what I love about this unit is right here on your sunny outdoor patio, you've got a beautiful view of Mount Benson, and from about 12:30 till sunset, year-round, you're gonna be able to enjoy the sunshine out here on your deck. So much natural light inside to complement the stone countertops, the high-end finishing, some beautiful millwork around the electric fireplace, washer, dryer, dishwasher, all the stainless appliances are included, and this is a very affordable option to get into city center, downtown Nanaimo. For a full information package or to book a private viewing, reach out to our team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.